One of my biggest fears in life is dying and nobody remembering who I am. How to build a brand around your trading, because as you guys know, as traders, we have more than enough time. All right, let's get it all started up. And it's 116 members, not 120. But I promise you guys, you have a $100,000 idea in your head. You just gotta make it happen.
All right, I just put my mic in my hair. I ain't gonna lie, I've never tried this shit. Where I was trying to work out with my shirt off, got that shit in my dome ski.
But what you want to be able to do to find good trades, to find high probability trades, is you're going to want to find something that you're willing to stress. You're willing to endure the pain, because I tell you guys this all the time. It's just not easy, bro. Being successful, making a lot of money, becoming a good being a great entrepreneur, being a great content creator, a great trader is not easy, bro. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It is Sunday. It is the end of the weekend. Almost. The weekend is almost. I can't talk. Almost over. It's early as shit though. It is 8 a.m. and this sun is hitting, but it's a beautiful day. Right now I'm on my way home. I'm about to do this educational session with the VIP Trading Network. This is the second one we are going to be doing. I did the first one ever last week, and this is just something that I think is going to be very beneficial for the VIP members. Every week we're going to be going over different topics when it comes to trading, mindset, money, time management, all the above. Everything that I think that's going to make you a better trader, better entrepreneur, we're going to go over it every Saturday or Sunday. It's just every weekend. And it's going to be at the same time, 9 a.m. So that's in about an hour. So I'm going to be going home right now, and that's what we're going to about to be doing. And we're just going to have a good day, have a productive day, try to give value, and try to be able to change lives. This sun is setting. I look bright as fuck. But with that being said, I'll see you guys when I get back to the crib. All right, so right now we in the crib. We about to get it all started. It is approximately 8:52, so we got 8 minutes until 9 o'clock. I'm probably going to start it a couple minutes early just so I can actually get everybody to join. How's the mic? Let me know in the comments. How the mic sound? Does it sound better than before? Because I can move around, you know what I'm saying? I probably still sound the same. And that's the main thing. I just want the quality to be consistent. I'll probably try to do a little bit more clips or segments in this video where I actually can use the distance to my advantage. But let's just get this all started. We're going to get the team all rounded up, and we're going to give some value. It's an early Sunday morning. I'm going to make sure that we get what we need to go into this week right. Because there's a lot of new members. We just hit 100 members. I think we're at like 120 now. Get that half off, man. Over at 12 a.m. tonight. I want the team to be bigger and better. So we better do that with the session. So let's just get straight to it. All right, let's get it all started up. And it's 116 members, not 120, but I'll say 120. It'll make me feel a little bit better. Let's get it all started up, get the team all active. Let's have a good, successful, educational, productive morning with the team. So now you got to understand, where is liquidity going to be? Liquidity is above old highs and below old lows. But now you got to understand, there's candles and there's highs and lows on every single time frame. If you were to ask, where can I find a high and low? You could literally go to every single candle and be able to find one. But what you want to be able to do to find good trades, to find high probability trades, is you're going to want to find high probability highs and lows. That's going to be high probability liquidity. The indicator, if you look at the top, is just called the ICT New York Open. It's just showing you 12 a.m. That's all it is. If I were to get rid of it, you can see it makes a big difference in the chart. A big difference, because is one, you guys gotta understand how important time is. And that's why just understanding where the highs and lows is going to be very easy. But now, like when I told you guys, the first thing I do is that previous is high and low. So having this indicator just makes it easy. I just look to the left. I mark up the highest point, mark up the lowest point. To get into a trade, those are usually a lot of the times the trades that don't play out. Simplicity is key. So after you have the A's in session range, that's the two main things that I mark up every single time. So say, for example, right now is 9 and 11. If I were to come to the charts tomorrow morning at the same exact time, this is exactly what I would do. And if to keep it even more realistic, I'll even do exactly what I'm gonna do tomorrow, necessarily right now. But having the process, it definitely will keep it way more simple. So after having these two things, those are the two first things I always do. After this, I always go to the higher time frames. Now, depending on the type of trader you are, you may go lower on the time frames. I like to stay on the hour, personally. The hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. Those are my top 3 time frames. But you guys got any questions? I feel like I said a lot of stuff, but just ask questions with this. Trust me. I've been trying to do my research on it. Anything you need to know, just let me know, because I'm probably one of the, besides I don't know if anyone else has a funded account to be able to explain it, if that makes sense. All right, we just got done the session. It wasn't bad, I ain't gonna lie. I talked a lot about what I'm gonna be expecting this week. I'll probably put a couple clips just so you guys could see the gist of it. Good session, nonetheless. We only had about 15 people, but the people that actually came, they're gonna see the value. We have 113 people in the VIP. We don't have them all join every session. Everyone doesn't have the same time zones every single day, especially the weekends. Some people are probably at church. But the people that were there, I appreciate you being there, and I made sure to give you guys that value. We talked about the goals for this week, how I'm going to trade the funding account, went over a lot of the rules with Top Step, all of that good stuff. But right now, we're about to head to the gym and keep our day productive. And I have a few things I'm going to talk to you guys that are going to be able to benefit you and change your trading, change your life. As always, it wouldn't be a video if I wasn't giving you value. I'm just out here with my dog at the tennis court. I mainly wanted to talk to you guys about the topic of this video, which is how to build a brand around your trading. Because as you guys know, as traders, we have more than enough time. Like, we have too much time in the day. And if you watched yesterday's video, I talked about one of the main ways to keep your mind off the charts is by having a second business, having a second hobby, having a side hustle that you can focus on and put your time into outside of the charts. Because at the end of the day, trading gives you a lot of free time. It gives you money and free time. So what you do with that free time and money is really gonna decide how long you stay in the game, if you're gonna stay in the game. So one thing I would say everybody should be doing is monetizing their life. As traders, the main thing you could do is monetize yourself. Build a brand around yourself. And how do you build a brand? It's really not complicated. You just gotta try to either teach people what you do. So if you're a trader, you should be teaching people how to trade. You should be teaching other people how to get started, how to trade. Do something around those lines. You should be monetizing your trading, monetizing yourself, because at the end of the day, there's a reason why a majority of people that trade have other businesses, that they get into real estate, have side hustles, because they have so much time, it just doesn't make sense not to. It makes literally 0 sense to make this much money, have this much free time, and not try to use it to our advantage to build a bigger brand. Because at the end of the day, the one thing you're always gonna have yourself. If you can monetize yourself, regardless if you wanna become a day trader, regardless if you want to become a serial entrepreneur, you wanna get into real estate, you wanna start doing e-com, whatever you wanna do, as long as you monetize yourself and people know who you are, you can make money doing anything. If people know who you are, no matter what kind of business you have, no matter what. Luna, my dog just tried to run away. Fuck are you doing, doggy? If you monetize yourself, no matter what business is going, no matter what industry, you're gonna be able to be successful. Because you could be the best at what you do. You could have the best product in the world, the best service in the world. You could be the best trader in the world, the best content creator. But if nobody knows who you are, it means nothing. It really do. And as it sounds like shit, the same thing that I was doing a year ago, 6 months ago, are the same things I'm doing today that are making me money. It's just to a higher level. The same things I was doing when nobody knew me, the same videos I was posting on YouTube when nobody knew me, are the same videos I'm posting now that I can make a couple dollars from, that I can get a couple thousand views on it. It's just, you gotta play the long game. Most people don't understand that. See, look, I just gotta enjoy life like her. No kids, just live life, don't take it too seriously. Just do what you gotta do. Monetize yourself, monetize you. Because at the end of the day, you're all you got. Now that you understand that you should be starting your own personal brand, you should be trying to make people know who you are. One of my biggest fears in life is dying and nobody remembering who I am. You all know who Abraham Lincoln is. You all know who George Washington is. You all know Bill Gates. You all know people like Jeff Bezos. These are all people that when they die, they're gonna be remembered. Now, me personally, when I die, I want to be remembered. One of the things that is really one of my main purposes in life is to make sure that when I die, I left something behind. That when I die, my name has purpose. There's a legacy behind my name. And everyone's not going to be like that. That's me. That's why I make YouTube videos. That's why I do the things that I do. That's why I try to change people's lives. That's why I give value the way I do. Because one of my main things that I find purpose in is creating a brand around myself, monetizing my life, monetizing myself, my last name, my family. I want people to remember me, not my trading, not my content. I want them to remember me, Diaz, Andre Diaz. Now, some people are going to understand that, some people aren't. But I mainly want to talk to you guys on how to start, because anybody can say monetize yourself. You should be doing this. You should be doing this. But I'm going to explain how you should be doing it. Now, this is going to be mainly for the traders. I can only talk to traders specifically on how to monetize their self in trading, because that's how I've done it. I can't talk about any other business, e-com, none of that. I can't do that. But trading, I can. So how are you going to start? The best way is starting on YouTube and Instagram. I promise you, YouTube and Instagram are going to be the two holy grails. Yeah, you can use Twitter, but in my opinion, the types of people that are on Twitter aren't the types of people that are going to be on YouTube and Instagram. Now, that's my personal opinion. When it comes to content, creating valuable content that people want to watch, people that enjoy, in my opinion, when it comes to traders, Instagram and YouTube is going to do a lot for you. Now, what are you going to be posting? Because the main thing is content. If you want to monetize yourself, if you want to build a brand, you need to post content. So what type of content are you going to be making? These are things you got to be asking yourself. what type of content you're gonna post. This is something that, depending on what type of industry you're in, if you're a trader, the type of content I will post is content that's going to be able to help traders answer their questions. What are the pain points? What are things that traders go through that you have experience in? What is something that you've learned about yourself in your trading journey that you can help other people with? Also, another thing you do, if you don't want to make those videos where it's just you kind of explaining something, talking about a certain topic, just journal your life. Vlog your life. Do what I'm doing. Now, you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. Do it your own way. Monetize yourself. Vlog what you're already doing. If you trade every morning, vlog your trading. You could post that on Instagram. You could post that on stories. You can monetize everything. You just got to be creative. I promise you guys, you have a $100,000 idea in your head. You just got to make it happen. You just got to make it a reality and just start. My life is changing just from people knowing who I am, and I'm just showing you guys what I'm already doing. The things that I'm doing right now, I was already going to do. The things that I post on YouTube, I already do. Things that I post on Instagram and YouTube, any social media when it comes to like a video, it's stuff that I already do. All I'm doing is leveraging what I'm already going to do to be able to monetize my life and build a brand around the one skill set of trading. And I recommend all of you do the same thing because it's only upside. There's no downside at all. I was gonna record with the camera. As you guys can see over here, I went to record and that's just completely dead, so that's tough. But right now we're at the gym. As always, every single day I'm at the gym. I don't care if I feel like shit. I don't care how tired I feel. Like today, I don't want to be at the gym. I really don't, but this is what discipline is. Doing the things that you don't want to do, regardless how you feel. That's what's gonna lead you to success. And that's something you guys probably heard many times before. But I also wanted to kind of integrate the topic of this video with the gym because as you guys know in this video, I was talking about how you should be branding yourself. You should be turning yourself into a brand. In my opinion, the hardest part about starting a brand, the hardest part about actually being able to start a successful brand around yourself is starting. Starting is the hardest part. It's the same thing with the gym. Getting to the gym is the hardest part. Once you're actually at the gym, lifting weights, doing push-ups, sit-ups is easy. Anybody that's worked out knows that already. Anybody that has actively worked out before, was consistent with it, anybody that's built a business, they know the hardest part is the start. The hardest part is the beginning. The hardest part is getting that momentum to get in the groove to make it a habit. I can guarantee you, if you make it a goal to go to the gym every single day for 5 days straight, that 6 days is gonna be 10 times easier to go than that first day is, because starting from nothing and trying to build that momentum is hard. It's not easy. When you're building a brand around yourself, the beginning is gonna be hard. The beginning, you're not gonna see many results. You're not gonna get no followers. You're not gonna get no likes. You're probably gonna get no views besides yourself, no comments, no nothing. And it's very stressful. It's hard to be trying to build in environments like that because they're not conducive to your mental health. It's not good. I posted hundreds of videos before people knew who I was. I had multiple channels before people knew who I was. I thought I had multiple different good video ideas, different good content ideas that would make me go viral, that would get people to realize like me as a person, me and my brand and what I do. Never happened. And it takes time, bro. You got to be able to find something that you have passion in, find something that you're willing to go through the hard time, find something that you're willing to stress, you're willing to endure the pain, because I tell you guys this all the time, it's just not easy, bro. Being successful, making a lot of money, being a great entrepreneur, being a great content creator, a great trader is not easy, bro. Being great at anything is not easy. Don't let social media, don't let any of that make it seem like there's a whole bunch of successful people in the world. There's a whole bunch of successful people at your age. A lot of the time, bro, that's just cap, bro. A lot of the time, that shit is cap. There's not a lot of successful people. There's a very small percentage of people that are making a lot of money, and the other people that you think are successful are really just pump faking. Like me, I don't try to be what I'm not. You guys know who I am, everything. I'm the same person with no money as I am with money. There's no difference in me. And anybody that has known me 10 years ago, that has known me 5 years ago, that's known me 6 months ago, they know I'm the same type of person talking about the same types of things with the same values. And I need you guys to do the same exact thing when you're growing your brand. Be yourself. Don't try to be anybody else. Don't try to do what you think is working. Be you, because I guarantee you, people that like you for you are going to be it's going to be a way better audience than people that like you because of who they think you are. Be organic, because when you're organic, you can go in any industry. You can do any type of content, any type of videos, any business. Be you, be yourself, change lives. But to keep everything simple, I mainly made this video today. It was one of those ones where I tell you guys, the weekends it's kind of hard for me to make videos. Another thing you guys can comment is video topics, video ideas, because making a video every day is not as easy as you think. Trying to think of different concepts, different ideas that are going to be valuable to you, not as easy as you think. I see why
People like Mr. Beast got a team of creatives for ideas and shit. So I be running out of ideas. I thought I was creative, and so you gotta think of a good idea every single day. You're gonna realize how not creative the fuck you are. But I mainly just wanted to make this video, as I told you guys, I just want you guys to understand the value of being able to monetize yourself. You are your business. You have the power to make as much money in the world, not your business, you. If you can monetize yourself, if people know who you are, no matter what business you go on, no matter what industry, what product, you can make money. Simple as that. Whether you're a trader, just an entrepreneur, whether you have a job, if you know how to monetize yourself, if you know how to turn yourself, your name, your last name into a brand, sky's the limit. You're gonna have a lot of money coming in, because no matter what you do, no matter what business you get into, you're gonna make money, because people buy into you. They're not buying into your services itself. They're buying into you. That's what you gotta remember. How many billionaires do you know without a personal brand? Not a lot, but I can name a couple billionaires based off their name. Jeff Bezos. We have niggas like Bill Gates. Yes, they built things that have created them success, like Microsoft and Amazon, but we know them by their name. When we think Jeff Bezos, we think, billionaire, the one who has Amazon, who has this big thing. Not the business itself, but first thing we think is Jeff Bezos and what he did. What he did was Amazon. Second thing we always think is like their business. An example of, when you think of Bill Gates, you just think billionaire, then Microsoft. But that's like the first thing you do. You gotta build your brand around yourself, because there's people that probably know who Bill Gates is, that don't know what he does, that don't know what business he built. I can tell you that. There's people like, think about Elon Musk. How many people know about Elon Musk but didn't know that he created PayPal? That's a good question. That's a great question. Go ask someone that. I bet you they gonna be like, Tesla? They ain't gonna say PayPal. Guarantee you that, but it's just because he's done so many things that we don't remember him just for his products, but we remember him for his name, him itself, Elon Musk, and we know the things that he's done. All right, I just put my mic in my hair. I ain't gonna lie, I've never tried this shit, but I was trying to work out with my shirt off. Got that shit in my dome ski. But nah, I want everyone in the comments, let me know, do you work out? What is your thoughts on working out? Because I know everybody has a different opinion. I don't care if you're fat, I don't care if you're skinny, bro. Let me know why you work out or why you don't work out. I reply to all the comments, so you already know. I'll be in there to talk to you about it. I'll be in here to shed my opinion. Just let me know. I like engaging with you guys. I like being able to see where your mindset is, because at the end of the day, I don't care to make money on these YouTube videos. I always tell you guys this. I'm here to change lives and give value. So if you have questions, comments, concerns about anything trading, money, mindset, business, let me know, bro. I'm here for y'all. I want you to look at me like a older brother. Not a dad, older brother, you feel me? I don't want the responsibility of y'all looking up to me as a dad, if I'm being honest. Look at me like that older brother that's actually doing things, that's actually trying to be successful, that's willing to teach you what I'm doing. Just ask questions, bro. Closed mouths don't get fed. But honestly, this is where I'm gonna end the video off. I'm about to continue my workout as always, just get this pump in so that when I get done, I can go into the crib, edit this video, and just continue giving you guys value as always. I wish I would have had the regular camera, but this will have to do with the wireless microphone. No days off. I don't care. If there's a will, there's a way. You can make it happen. But with that being said, if you guys want to get involved in trading, make sure you check out the free trading course. Link is in the description. It'll teach you everything you need to know from 0 to 100 on how to trade, how to make money trading, and how to get started in the financial markets. And once you got the course and everything all ready, you got the system and strategy all intact, and you start to understand yourself, that's when you're going to join the VIP Trading Network, where we can trade live every single day with the team. We're at like 120 members. We're growing fast. The discount is over at 12 a.m. So make sure you take advantage of the 50% off. Until then, I'll see you guys next video. Stay safe, stay productive, and let's have a good week.